Alright, what's up, you motherfucking pussies? This is the real trap bike. We out here, gang gang. You know, I got the Colt SOS frame in a 21-inch, looking real good, you know, with the 13 millimeter back end, real clean, real good for them hard 180s, for them fast spins, you know. We out here, all we do is spin fast, long dick, you know. And then for my bars, I got the We the People 4-piece bars. I don't know what they're called, but they're dope. They're 9.5 high. I cut them down to 28. You know, for them bar spins and switch bars, we out here. And then for my grips, I got them Colt Ricani grips. They make my hands feel like I'm touching my so they're real nice, you know. Yeah. And then for my stem, dude, what the?
Just kidding.
Yeah. For my stem, you know, I got that Sabrosa high-rise stem. So I'm always high in the clouds, you know. But it's real high, just like me. I'm just kidding. Don't do drugs, kids. And then for my forks, for these beautiful forks, I have the Sunday Octave forks. Shout out to Miguel Smiley for giving me these, you know. He plugged it up. And then, you know, I'm out here. So, then we're gonna go to the middle of the whip. The grail piece. I got the Eclat slash pedals in camo. This is the whole reason I slip pedals on tail whips, kids. Because I don't see my pedals, because they're camo. Yeah. And then for my cranks, I have these beautiful, beautiful BSD cranks in a 165 millimeter. So I got these big old feet, you know. I can't be riding these big cranks when I got big feet, you know. Hitting my on the, you know, yeah, you know. And then I got the Eclat, what is this called, Jordan?
I don't fucking know.
I got the Eclat fucking guard
Something.
sprocket. It's lit. Shout out to Jake Rammer for that. And then I got the Shadow Supreme chain. You know, cause
Supreme box logo.
Supreme box logo chain. No, but for real, this is the best chain I've ever ridden. It does not break. You can hit it. You can do everything. Nothing's gonna happen to it. And then I have a BSD bottom bracket. You can't see it. You don't need to see it, but it's there. And then for my seat, I got the Fly by Devin Smiley seat. It's so dope. I like it. Makes my butt feel good. And then I got the Sunday seat post. Shout out to Miguel Smiley for hooking that up. I think he hooked it up. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's real long, like my. And then to my tires, these are the best tires ever. Felix Pongback signature tires. You did well. I love you, bro. They're real light, 2.25, but they ride like the 2.3s about. They're real dope. They're light. They're good for street and park. I really like them. And then for my front wheel, I got the Primo N4FL. It's lit, complete wheel. So, you know, complete, just like my kit. Then for my back wheel, I got the Demolition Rotator free coaster, laced to a Colony rim. I don't really with Colony, but it's all good. And then, yeah. Oh, and I got Fiend pegs, 4.5s. Yeah. So shout out to the homies in Germany: Luca, Jonas, Max, Nils, Robin, Miguel, Felix, Leon, Nico. Shout out to Daniel. Shout out to everyone. You know, we out here. Shout out to Jordan Barnes for filming this. His Instagram is gonna be in the bio. Yeah, we out here. One take.
I can't go in, I ain't ready. I can't go in, I ain't ready. Ready on Fetty on Fetty. I can't go in, I ain't ready. I can't go in, I ain't ready. Fetty on Fetty. I just
Oh shit.